Oh, we got some Dale Earnhardt love on there.
Little hidden messages all around this truck.
Is there? What's some other ones?
They're hidden.
But Hot Rod Power Tour truck update. We're gonna get there. Look how good that looks. That's the underneath of this truck. Could you believe that? QA1, Wilwood, nice exhaust work. These aren't even the tires that we're using, but this is yeah, that looks nice. Can't wait to take our 2,000-mile road trip in this. The interior is going to be swapped out, but we haven't quite mentioned what we're doing yet. But it's going to be something very, 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 very cool that you guys are going to like.
I was driving on the road the other day, and that piece broke off. That's
yeah.
the problem with the original stuff. It's old and brittle.
Yeah.
So what I'm saying.
So you would need all those plastic pieces to hold it up.
And the metal pieces, this and that.
Yeah.
And I have enough in the side pieces.
So these trucks, what year did they start coming with all that? Do you know?
Trim level that made the difference.
Oh, it was a trim level.
Yes.
They did it for 73 through 87 though? Trim
Yes.
levels? Yeah.
73 to 87.
Yeah, because there's no bracketry or anything currently now, right?
And you had to get a upgraded, like a Silverado package in order to get a headliner factory.
But all the holes, those are all the same mounting holes in.
And
Oh
the,
yeah, the custom deluxe.
And
Is it the Scottsdale?
what's that?
Scottsdale's?
Scottsdale.
Yeah.
So the custom deluxe and Scottsdale did not come with headliner.
All the padding came out good? Oh yeah, that's thick.
Yep.
That looks good.
Layer
Yeah.
padding.
Yeah, the boom mat underneath it. Wow, that's gonna be nice. Look how many layers that is.
Hold the seat back. You can see the.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's nice. It's got the boom mat behind there too.
Yeah.
Dang, that's nice. That's gonna be quiet and cool. Yeah, we're gonna be in their booth the entire weekend or the entire trip. Design engineering. Dakota Digital gauges are done. Those look good. Check them out. Oh yeah, that's cool. Heck yeah, that's gonna be nice. So this truck had the original fuel injection badge on it, which works good because now we got a 6-liter LS in it. All right, let's hear it. We ready? Hot Rod Power Tour 2022. We're getting prepped. All right, so the next choice for this thing, do we or do we not put the topper on it? I think it's the way to go. Camper special, we got to do it. 6-liter fuel injected LS with QA1 suspension, Wilwood brakes, Halibrand wheels, and a topper. Yeah, let's do it. It's got Summit Racing internals, all Eagle alloy pistons. I think we need to put the topper on it. That's gonna be so cool. Farm truck, we're out for a race. Let's do it. So if you see us, you gotta say what's up and tell us if you like the topper.